Welcome again, Military Guneti. Leicester City 3, Liverpool 1. Allison's Masterclass. Allison's Masterclass. Allison is trying his best to throw away Liverpool season single-handedly. I'm wondering if he will play the next game. I'm definitely wondering if he will definitely be present for the next game. So, Jamie Vardy doing bits. Maddison doing bits. Harvey Barnes doing bits. They were killing them after the second goal that Allison gave away. They seemed rattled. They were on their knees. Everything just kept it from them. Everything just went downhill after that. Oh, this is embarrassing. This is really embarrassing. They got smashed by Manchester City 4-1, and now they have been smashed by Leicester City. Liverpool going down. All the Liverpool fans, hands up. You have to take this one. Harsh, but that is it. Klopp must be mad. Anyways, guys, guess what? I am out. Ensure you hit the like button. Hit the like button.